I was sued in April of 2022 by Robert Shin, claiming defamation. However, we recently went through depositions. That's right, we deposed Robert Shin, Miranda Derrick, and James Derrick. Based upon the testimony that we obtained through these depositions, Robert and Miranda could not define that being in a cult was actual defamation. In fact, Robert stated that being in a cult, or if that something was a cult, was actually an opinion. Miranda classified cult as a cult is just a culture, and many other things. When asked about defaming statements that I made, not one of them could name a single defamatory statement that I made that caused any damages whatsoever to them. There is really no basis for this case to move forward at all at this point. We have evidence in place from the court's prior finding that the plaintiffs need to meet the heightened standard for defamation because they are all public figures, to the fact that none of the plaintiffs have ever been able to describe the damages they are seeking to have this case move forward to trial. They have not provided any evidence whatsoever in discovery that we caused any damages. In November, we will provide to the court documents that will be supporting and submitting to them, which will be provided no later than 28 days before the hearing. And the summary judgment motion will be submitted with a memorandum that will be extensive and leave nothing unexplained. We have spent more than 2.5 years in this lawsuit, spent more than, I don't even know, tens of thousands of dollars to get to this point. And let me to say this mildly, Miranda James and Robert Shin's testimony in their depositions was disastrous. 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 Under oath, Miranda lied. Under the penalty of perjury, Miranda Derrick lied that she was not a member of Shekinah Church. Under the penalty of perjury, James Derrick lied that he was not a member of Shekinah Church. The day before, in sworn testimony, Robert Shin testified that both James and Miranda were members of his church. Miranda and James Derrick continue to lie to friends and to family that they are not members of this church when they are. I will not be discussing any aspects of compensation, lawyers' fees, or any details. Any further accusation that 7M is going to take me down, destroy me, or